Kahit walang ano.
Is it good?
Very good.
Oh, okay.
Ito. Kahit walang sasawan, masarap siya. But Filipinos would always love to clean their palate with something acidic. So, meron tayo ditong sausawan na may suka, may silim, may bawang at sibuyas. Sausawan is a defining culture of Filipino food.
Really?
We never eat na walang, parati tayo may sausawan on the side. At iba-ibang klase ng sausawan depende sa pagkain.
Ano ba yan? Inimbento ng Pilipino? O...
That's our Filipino culture. Di ba pag tinola may patis at siling. And then kung mga ganyan ay normally suka because you want to clean your palate. Halimbawa yung Ilocano empanada. It has to be, it's very precise eh. Kinakailangan mo siyang i-drizzle with sugarcane vinegar, spiced sugarcane vinegar. And I tried doing that with another type of vinegar. It doesn't work. It has to be sugarcane vinegar.
So, how is it?
Pinoy na Pinoy ang lasa. It's very flavorful. So I could imagine kung ikaw ay Pilipino at nandito ka sa Canada, you'll never miss the flavors of home kasi on point ang lasa niya. Kasi ito yung ating bangus na minamarinate siya sa suka, di ba? Yung maraming bawang and then salt and pepper. And then after that, tsaka mo siya ipiprito. So, may lasa siya eh. And it kills the fishiness. That's the objective also of using the vinegar. It's amazing. It's amazing. And not everybody can do that well. Yung iba parang pag nagtanong, how do you do that? They can do it properly. But this one is very well marinated. Everything's in balance. Tsaka ang masarap, ang best part dyan, yung nasa ulo, yung ito, yung malutong-lutong. Ayan.
Bakit may particular preference sa Pilipino doon sa tiyan?
Sa tiyan?
Oo. Anong meron doon sa tiyan ng bangus?
Because it's rich, gusto mo yung something oily, yung something that melts in your mouth.
Oh, okay.
And after niya, masarap yan sa kanin. And then sa Pilipino, parating yung ulo ng isda, pinag-aawayan yan. Kasi malutong. So, tama ba? Pakbet ba ito? This is pakbet. So, in Ilocano, the tradition in every Ilocano, sinasabi nila na makunat ang mga Ilocano, but they're just very mindful of their spending. Like, for example, kasi in Ilocos, it's an arid land. So, hindi madami ang tumutubo dyan. But, in every Ilocano house, normally, mayroon yung backyard vegetables. And that's what they that's what they harvest to make a good pinakbet. So, medyo manamis na miss pa yung lasa ng mga gulay. At yan ay nilalagay lamang sa palayok. Wala nang halo-halo yan, tatakpan na lang yan. At lalagyan ng monamon o yung kanilang local na bagoong mula sa isda. O kung ano man. So, it's basically a fast food, walang halo-halo, madali. And it makes a huge difference. And then after nyan, igaganyan na lang yan. I-flip na lang, ang panghalo lang, ganyan na lang. Then you open it and it's ready to be served. So kung meron kong ginagawa na ibang bagay, you can do that and then maya-maya pwede mo na siyang kainin.
Oh, okay. Ito na ba kayo? Itong, anong pangalan nito?
Crispy pata.
Crispy pata. Can you talk about that?
Crispy pata is very special to the Philippines kasi we love pork. Filipinos love pork. And ito normally, It's very dark, sinasabi nila na ang mga pagkain ng Pilipino puro brown, di ba? It's not pleasing to the eye. But do not judge a food by its color until you taste it, di ba? And it will blow your mind away. And I think every Filipino restaurant should have this. Kasi ito, malaking proseso yan eh. Normally, you boil that in spices and then you dry it, di ba? It's either patuyuin mo siya or kung di mo pa siya ipiprito, lalagay mo sa freezer. And then after that, tsaka mo pa siya i-deep fry. So may lasa na siya. And then once you fry it, kaya ang lutong-lutong ng balat. And then as you bite into the flesh, very moist siya and very tender. So that's a technique, and normally you have sausawan on the side. Kanya-kanya ng version yan, but normally you have the vinegar, the spice vinegar na merong konting soy sauce at may konting asukal. So nandun yung naghahalo na anghang, tamis at ano tawag yung asin. Ganyan ang lasang Pinoy. So that's my seal.